If you think I am strong, you attract strength. If you think I am weak, you attract weakness.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
In today's lesson, we are going to learn something very special. I am affirmations. I am sentences help you speak positive English and also change your mindset using the law of attraction. An affirmation means a positive sentence that you say to yourself every day. When you say I am plus a positive word, your brain starts to believe it. For example, I am confident. I am strong. I am happy. These are not just English sentences, they are powerful thoughts that can change your life. Let's look at the grammar. I am is used with I, the first person singular. We use am only with I. For example, I am a teacher. I am happy. I am learning English. Now let's say some powerful I am affirmations together. Repeat after me slowly. I am confident. I am smart. I am strong. I am healthy. I am successful. I am happy. I am learning English every day. I am improving my life. I am grateful for everything I have. I am attracting good things into my life. Great job! Every time you say these sentences, you are learning English and creating a positive future. The law of attraction means you attract what you think about most. If you think I am strong, you attract strength. If you think I am weak, you attract weakness. So always speak positive English words. Words are energy. They create your reality. Try this every morning. Look in the mirror, smile. Say 5 I am affirmations in English. For example, I am confident. I am calm. I am successful. Do it for 21 days and you will see the difference in your English and your life. So remember, when you say I am, you are creating your future. Use English to think positively and live happily. If you like this lesson, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to LELTA, and comment your favorite I am affirmation below. See you in the next lesson.